The following is an important weather message for the following counties in New York: Broome, Chemung, Chenango, Portland, Delaware, Madison, Onondaga, Otsego, Schuyler, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Southern Oneida, Steuben, Tioga, Tompkins and Yates, and Bradford, Pennsylvania. Wind advisory in effect from 7 a.m. Thursday to 1 a.m. Friday. What? West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? In Pennsylvania, Bradford County. In New York, Yates, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Onondaga, Steuben, Schuyler, Chemung, Tompkins, Madison, Southern Oneida, Portland, Chenango, Otsego, Tioga, Broome and Delaware counties. When? From 7 a.m. Thursday to 1 a.m. Friday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. The following